friends, families, and whoever is watching this video. This is my Nonna.
Hi.
Hi. So Nonna, what are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make lemonade scones.
Beautiful. So let's get started and show them what we need to use to make the lemonade scones. You're gonna need some lemonade 7-Up, some whipping cream, some self-raising flour, and some butter, measuring cups, and a food processor. The first thing you have to do is set the oven to 425. 4, 2, 5, start.
To use a sunrise flare.
How many cups? Only, nope, how many cups?
4 cups.
5 cups? It's only
No,
3.
4.
No, 3.
3.
How many cups?
3 cups.
3 cups of flour, beautiful. Okay, so and next we're going to do 5 tablespoons of butter. So what you're going to want to do is cut it on the mark of your butter, open it up, and exactly, Nonna, cut them into pieces. It's slippery. Good job.
We started cut it off.
Okay, start over, go.
Cut it off.
And action. Food processor.
Oh, bloody food process. don't put it off.
It's okay, keep going. We have to start the...
Okay, we started.
Until it looks like what, Nonna?
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs. And it's on, you
Until
just...
it combine with the flare and the butter.
Yes. And this is what it should look like after you create that mixture. So now we have to move this from the food processor into a big bowl. Good.
1 1/4 cups the lemonade.
Good. I'll hold it.
Okay.
And this is what it should look like. So what's next?
1/2 cup of cream.
1/2 cup of cream. She doesn't need my help this time. And pour that in, Nonna. Beautiful. Good job.
Thank you.
Now you just stir until everything is combined. And the trick here is to make sure that it's not over stirred.
The bowl with the flares.
With the flowers. Okay. A little bit more. Beautiful. Oh, she's the best.
Yeah.
Oh, now what?
We have to put in the
Every last piece. Otherwise it's wasted, right, Nonna?
Yes.
A bit more flour to make your hands nice and non-sticky. And you make
And fold.
the dough stuff. Roll it around, just like my Nonna's doing now. Lovely. Generous with the flour. Beautiful, thanks Nonna. And let's go on to the next thing. Spray our tin everywhere. Then it's time to make our little scone. So watch how Nonna does it. We have to flour the cup first.
Yeah. Flare the cup first, and then we start it.
That's it.
That's it.
And then you pick it up
Yeah. And put it on.
and you place it into the tray. So once you finish all of that, you roll up the dough again and you repeat the first step that Nonna had done. And this is what the tray should look like so far. We'll fit about 3 more.
Yeah.
Going until all the dough, or basically all the dough, is gone.
Now we're gonna put them on the oven for about 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. Beautiful.
Okay, we're gonna do the clean it up now while the scones are on the oven
Until they look like what?
until the beautiful brown,
Golden brown.
golden brown.
See you then.
We are ready to pick up the scones.
After how long? How long, Nonna?
About 20 minutes.
15, but okay. And this is what the finished product should look like. And they are beautiful, Nonna. Good job.
Good job.
And then we
alright.
will watch us eat some in a second. As soon as they come out of the oven is when you have to get them out of the tray.
They are beautiful.
Are they?
Yeah.
Stunning.
I'll try already.
How is it?
Nice.
Nice. Here's Nonna and Nonno ready to try the scone. So tell me how it is. Take a bite.
Okay.
Yep, take a bite.
I will.
And how are they?
They're delicious.
Delicious? Happy?
Ah, beautiful.
Yay!
This is the best scones I've tasted for a long, long time.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye,
welcome.
Christina.